Hi, I'm Kat Snezaski, and I'm here today to learn about Google Drive. So Laurie, tell me about Google Drive and what is it?
Google Drive is a fantastic cloud storage solution you can use to store your files, share your files, synchronize your files, and use your files on all your devices.
Wow, that sounds like a lot. So what are the benefits?
Well, your data is stored in the cloud, so it's accessible from all internet-connected devices.
So you're saying I can get to those files from my phone and my computer?
Yes.
Does it cost very much?
Actually, it's free within the limits of your account, but I'm going to be telling you about some ways to keep it free.
So wait a minute, you said my data is going to be stored in the cloud. Is it secure?
Yes. Google Drive offers all kinds of security, SSL encryption. Your username and your password are protected. In case of using a new device, you'll have two-factor authentication.
Oh, wow, that's fantastic. Does it take up a lot of space on my computer?
Actually, no. Unless you choose to by using extra features, it can take up no space or maybe a little bit of space.
What if I lose my computer?
Well, that's the beauty of cloud storage. Your data would still be available from any other internet-connected device.
Oh, that sounds great.
Google Drive is just one of the many apps associated with your Google account, so you have access to your Gmail, your Google Drive, your photos, and many other apps. There are two kinds of Google account that you might have. There's a personal account or there's a company account. With a personal account, you get 15 gigabytes of free storage, and personal accounts use a tool called Google Backup and Sync if you're interested in backing up your data. Company accounts start out with 15 gigabytes, but many company accounts have a lot more available space, up to unlimited. And company accounts use a type of sync tool called Google File Stream. Kat, do you have a Google account?
A Google account? I'm not sure.
Do you have Gmail?
I do.
Well, great. That's all you need. Let's get started.